we take the third, yeah?
One.
The third one, that's the first, that's the second one, das ist die zweite, and here is the third one, and we get out now. Thank you. And the side look is very important here, yep?
Yeah.
The side look, no?
Yeah,
Look inside mirror, outside mirror, and the side look, no? Prüfungstermine. Yeah, you can come, but we prepare the exam, no? We have to prepare the exam, then we can make a Prüfungstermin. The practice exam. Yes, we can do that. I have time enough, I think so. We can make the exam before the Christmas Day, ne? Also vor Weihnachten, wir können das noch machen. Mein Gott, jetzt habe ich hier schon ein... Okay, pay attention here, ne? Take care of the others,
yeah.
Ne? And you drive, the speed is 57. Whoa! That's great. Yeah, sorry you fail.
yeah, it's bad.
It cost 400 years for you. Okay, nice. Yeah, not for me, for TÜV, no?
Yes, yeah, I know that.
Oh, good. Okay. Good. Yeah, okay. So, we have now green, and we turn right. Turn right now.
Okay.
This route is in the exam very important. Why? You're driving here uphill and then downhill, and you become faster. Also, in der Prüfung fährt man hier sehr oft lang, weil der Prüfer hier how much speed in the only about 50 in the city.
Yeah.
No? 50 in the city. We have here a head-up display, you can see that maybe, yeah? And that's very nice, but you pump the gas, and that's not really nice, no? I have a roller coaster in my stomach. A roller coaster in my stomach, that is not good, no? Yeah. But I have a bag here from Berlin. Alright, yeah. Okay, so now we have two lines here.
Yeah.
You can switch mods, no, you can decide, so it's not necessary to switch to right line, no?
It's so small, yeah.
Warum fährt der Prüfer eigentlich hier lang? Weil das hier eine sehr breite Straße ist und man eigentlich hier viel zu schnell unterwegs ist. Also man hat das ja eben gesehen, 57 km/h, no? Also 57 kilometers is too much, and then you can fail in the exam. So now we have two lines are combined and becomes one. And look inside, outside, side look. Yeah, better you check them, no? So now we are driving downhill, and you have 56 kilometers. Congratulations, you have now 2 weeks holiday.
Yeah.
2 weeks holiday and then come back. And we have then the next chance. No, it costs 400 euros. It was a very expensive holiday.
Yeah.
We don't need it, huh?
Yeah.
We want to pass first. Wir wollen das erste Mal bestehen in der Prüfung. Ist das natürlich ganz klar? Can you hear me here? Is it okay or not? I don't know. So, yeah, teach this. Gemeinsam live? Ja, weiß ich auch nicht. Keine Ahnung. Nee, ich kann jetzt hier nichts machen. Ich bin in der Ausbildung. Tut mir leid. Ich bin in der Ausbildung. Tut mir leid, ich kann hier jetzt nichts machen. Ich muss natürlich hier auch aufpassen. I take care of my students here. Yeah, 50, no? If you drive 52 or 53, that doesn't matter. It's okay, yeah?
I know
That is in the range, yeah? But don't drive 59
56
or 56 for a long time, no?